Yo guys, what's up? I'm back. Haven't uploaded in a while. So simple tutorial here for you on how to build a fridge. All you need is take any block. Now I'm just using iron because I think it looks good. A button, place this here. Take 2 blocks out. Dispenser, put your food in. Right, food in. Put it back up. Not with iron. Good. Click one, you'll get your food straight out. Was a simple tutorial. And you get then let you put in it. Fill this back up. Yep, pretty easy. Yep. So that was just an easy fridge. So nice looking for your house. Next time on my next tutorial video. Okay, I wasn't exactly expecting that. Yeah, probably on my next tutorial video I will make furniture. Yeah, like very easy. Well, a nice video if you guys don't know how to make furniture. Yeah, that's all guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.